There's a political showdown playing out over the Mahakumbh, particularly of reports of how women who are taking a holy dip at the Mahakumbh, their pictures are being circulated on social media. Akhilesh Yadav has now lashed out at the Yogi government, saying women's dignity has been compromised, and has in fact shared an article, a detailed article put out by India Today on this entire scam, on a telegram bait to question the Yogi government. Essentially, we had put out a story about how images of women at the Kumbh were being used to sell explicit telegram content. Akhilesh Yadav, referring to our story, has demanded answers now from the Yogi government. Samar Srivastava is joining us with more details on this. Samar, the India Today's report leading to now political war of words. The details of that story by itself are very, very shocking. Akhilesh Yadav has demanded answers from the Yogi government. Has there been any response from the government? Are they cracking down on this?
Yes, that is coming from Akhilesh Yadav, because India Today obviously showed the data where it says that the few telegram channels are there which are in a way taking some money about the videos and the photos of those especially women who were taking bath in the holy and sacred water of Sangam, and that's why you see the report by India Today TV was in a way processed further after the detailed investigation, where we see that the many telegram channels have got access of the videos, of the photos of those women who have reached Mahakumbh to take the holy bath in the Sangam water, and now the online scammers are now selling those videos and photos at the cost of 2,100 that we see in the image that Akhilesh Yadav also posted on X in question the Yogi government and also the Uttar Pradesh police about this particular scam, because we have to call that a scam, because people, the families, especially the women, are traveling kilometers, hundreds of kilometers to reach at that particular destination in Sangam, and what they are getting, these scammers recording their videos and taking photographs, and also not just recording and taking them in their mobile phones or cameras, they are also making a page and selling them via Telegram. So this is a big thing, and we have to see how Uttar Pradesh police now investigates this particular matter, and whether those scammers who are behind this particular thing will be put behind the bars, or some strong sections, serious sections will be posed against them in the FIR, because this is not an easy issue, this is such a serious issue, and that's why Akhilesh Yadav has also posted on X and questioned the Yogi government, and also in a way politically he also questions that they were saying that Mahakumbh seems to be hassle-free, but after this stampede, again and again some incidents like this are coming where now the integrity of women are also in danger, and that's why he also shared the picture of Aaj and India Today, where the picture clearly shows that how the telegram channels, some scammers are taking money by making these channels of those women who are taking bath in the holy water. Back to you.
You know, it's absolutely shocking and downright sick that something like this is happening, that essentially women devotees are not safe at the Mahakumbh. Every picture of them taking a holy dip is now being shared, and then it links to explicit content on Telegram. This is a scam that obviously needs to be addressed by the authorities, and Akhilesh Yadav has referred to India Today's report to make it very clear right now that the government must do something about this. But so far we are awaiting word from the Yogi government on what's their plan of action right now, and we understand that even those who are putting these pictures, Samarth, who are sharing it widely and then putting out these malicious links for people to get scammed, to get caught up in, they haven't been identified.
Well, as per the report of the UP police says, they haven't been identified yet, but the matter is in the knowledge of DGP of Uttar Pradesh, Prashant Kumar, and Uttar Pradesh police must be replying to that particular post of Akhilesh Yadav, where we can get some hint what the Uttar Pradesh police react and how the further investigation will go on, because it's not an easy thing. This is a particular scam, and especially you can expect with crores of people taking the snan, taking the holy dip in Sangam, this has come as a shocker for them, because We don't know how many photographs, how many videos they have got of different women who are coming from different regions, different states. So this seems to be a bigger scam, and because Telegram is an easy-going messenger app, and that's why it becomes very, very easy for them to circulate these videos. And we see the pages on Telegram being made where it is clearly written that the Mahakumbh bathing video. So this is such a serious scam which clearly affects the privacy of those devotees who are coming from far kilometers to take the holy dip in Sangam. But it clearly signifies, because we are seeing the opposition leaders speaking on this particular issue. So it's going to be worth seeing how the Uttar Pradesh police reacts to this and how the investigation unfolds by now, because it's not just about any scam, it's now more about the women integrity who are coming with their families to take the holy bath, but getting this in return. Back to you.
Absolutely, Samarat, you're completely right there. It's about a woman's dignity, the right to offer prayers safely, and they're not being given that. And this is a serious concern with pictures now being circulated online, and people who go ahead and open these pictures are sent across to some Telegram content. First, who are these people who are posting these pictures? Second, who are these people who are clicking on these pictures? But obviously, it's a huge security risk for so many women out there, and there are crores who are visiting the Mahakumbh every single day. Now, with India Today's report, we are hoping that with us throwing light on this kind of what's nothing short of a racket, we are counting on really the government doing something about this. Samad, stay with me. Jyoti Dwivedi, who's part of the India Today fact check team, is joining us. Jyoti, you put out that report. Take us through really what you found. How rampant is this? How many such pictures are being shared of women devotees?
Yeah, so I came across some social media posts on Facebook and Instagram, which are posting images and videos of women bathing and changing clothes near some river. And they are posting such images and videos in bulk. So this is what made me to look further. And some of these pages, they are even promoting pornographic content. So basically, they are using these visuals as a bait, and they are asking people, okay, so this was just a trailer, and if you want to view the complete video, then you should join so and so Telegram channels. And then such visuals are being sold on Telegram, and the price is around 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. So it's really scary.
I'm sure it's really scary, especially when we see these kind of pictures as women. It's scary that, women who are going out there to the Kumbh to go ahead and practice their faith are being targeted in this manner. Unknown to them, their pictures are being clicked and being put out on social media. Jyoti, when you were doing your research on this story and filing that report, how often was this happening? In the sense, did this start from the very beginning of the Mahakumbh, as has been going on for about a month or so?
Yeah, it's been happening for a while, but I recently discovered the Telegram channels, and I'll tell you the kind of visuals which are being shared. So the person who filmed these videos, they are intentionally zooming in on the private body parts of women. Like, suppose a woman is taking a bath in river, and she is not aware that her body parts are visible, but the camera person who's filming her, that he is intentionally zooming in on her body parts, and those visuals are,
Shocking, absolutely shocking that these kind of images are being taken without the woman's consent, being shared on social media, and nothing, mind you, has been done to stop this from happening. Thanks, Jyoti, for getting us those details of the report that Jyoti Dwivedi has filed for India Today, which now Akhilesh Yadav has cited to question the Yogi government.